Functional kitchen towels can make all the difference when it comes to keeping your kitchen clean. The best kitchen towels are versatile, absorbent, and quick-drying, and as functional as they are attractive. We researched dozens of kitchen towels, plus spoke to Leslie Reichert, the green cleaning coach and author of The Joy of Green Cleaning, to come up with the best options for every cleaning need. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best kitchen towels in 2023. So let's get started.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 1. Utopia Kitchen Towels. These classic kitchen towels from Utopia are one of Amazon's best-selling set of dish towels. This set of 12 dual-colored towels will only set you back $17. That comes out to less than $2 a towel, but they're made of high-quality ring-spun cotton. The woven design makes them soft yet durable, and their 15 by 25 inch size allows for absorbency. Plus, they come in a variety of classic colors to fit in with most kitchen aesthetics. Over 3,300 Amazon shoppers have left the towels 5-star reviews, including this customer, who wrote, Number 2. KitchenJoy Kitchen Towels. If your main priority when looking for kitchen towels is absorbency, you will absolutely love the KitchenJoy Kitchen Towels. They feature a hollow honeycomb knit weave that will clean up even your biggest spills, and since the weave is hollow, they dry incredibly quickly. The brand touts that even after 6 months of use, the towels are still some of the most absorbent options on the market. Another great feature of these towels is that they come in a number of solid color options, though no patterns, including white, which you can easily clean by adding a bit of bleach to the washing machine when you launder them. Number 3. D2 Terry Kitchen Dish Cloths. If you're in the market for affordable towels that will get the job done and look good hanging in your kitchen, consider these dish cloths from D2. Available on Amazon for just $11, the set includes 6 cotton towels featuring a traditional window pane design. They're lightweight, absorbent, and machine washable for easy cleaning. Plus, you can choose to buy them in an array of fun colors, like aqua, eggplant, or spice. According to customer reviews, these towels are a great value. Many customers noted that the colors held up after multiple washes, and the thin material allows the cloths to dry quickly. I like them so much, I'm buying another set. Number 4. Sticky Toffee Cotton Terry Kitchen Dish Towels. These are made with 100% high-quality terry cotton for a durable, absorbent cloth that's perfect for drying dishes and cleaning up big spills. Available in multiple colors, including gray, yellow, blue, and red, the 4-piece set features a textured design with symmetrical striped detailing for a simple look that'll easily match any kitchen decor. I love these towels, one Amazon shopper wrote. They dry up better than any others I have used. The texture is absorbent but not rough. They did not lint in the wash, and they look great hanging in our kitchen. Number 5. Haier Kitchen Microfiber Kitchen Towels. Microfiber dish towels are typically more absorbent than cotton and dry very quickly, making them a great option if you're looking for towels to wipe up spills or dry dishes in the kitchen. The material is ideal for drying glassware without leaving scratches or streaks behind, and Haier Kitchen's microfiber kitchen towels are some of the best, according to thousands of Amazon shoppers. They measure 26 by 18 inches wide, offering a large, absorbent surface for polishing dishes and wiping up spills. That was our list of the top 5 best kitchen towels just for you.